look what was just delivered to the house. It's a new mattress. Thank you, Lull, for sending me a queen size memory foam mattress. Scott and I are going to bring it upstairs. We're going to unbox it. I'm going to do a review and tell you all about it. So it's delivered through the mail, and I'm going to give you a whole bunch of reasons why you probably want to choose that option versus a regular mattress. I'll meet you back upstairs. Hey everyone, Sophia here from My Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel. This is a dream come true, a new mattress. Thank you so much, Lull, for sending me a new mattress. You have no idea how needed it is. So before I unbox it and Scott and I show you what it looks like and maybe do a quick test on it, I need to tell you why this is so important for us to have this at this time. We got a mattress on our bed. That mattress is 17 years old. Okay, it's 17 years old. It was the bed that we got when we moved to Ohio. And when we moved here, there was a slight problem. The mattress came in with a box spring. It's a traditional spring mattress. It doesn't have any pillow top on it. It's just, you know, like a basic mattress. No big deal. Couldn't even tell you the price. I can't remember. But when we moved here, the box spring could not make the turn to go from the first floor to the second floor on my second floor landing. If you know the channel, you know what I'm talking about. The only way the box spring could make it is if they had literally taken out the window that's on the landing and taken the box spring through the window. And we weren't having that, okay? I mean, really, like, because we moved in December, so we were not having that. So we decided to not keep the box spring, and I had to hurry up and go buy a slat bed, which is the bed that I have here in my bedroom, and it's a IKEA bed. That was a whole ordeal on its own, bringing it from the store over here on top of the HHR. But anyway, it got put together. We have the mattress. But that mattress is kind of flexible, okay? Because it doesn't have a pillow top, and it's not a super high-end quality mattress, not a Croft mattress, so I'm trying to tell you, okay? So when they were trying to make the turn to go on this floor, they were able to slightly bend the mattress to make it, okay? And we realized at that point that if we were going to purchase any other type of mattress, like a big, thick one with a pillow top, there was no way they would have been able to bend the mattress to make the turn and bring it here to the third floor in my master bedroom. So for the past 9 years that we've lived here, we've been talking about what are we going to do with regards to getting a new mattress. So my only solution at the time, because the technology wasn't there yet, was to purchase a separate pillow top and put the pillow top over the mattress itself. But if you think about it, it's only a band-aid, okay? Because really, the mattress is 17 years old. So I don't think it would make much of a difference. So over the years, new technology came out, and now we have memory foam mattresses that can be delivered directly to your house. They come in a box. You just sew that. You unfold them, they puff up, and then you let them sit for a little bit, a good 24 hours, and then you can sleep on them. And I'm going to talk really quick about the basic difference between a memory foam mattress and a spring mattress. And I'm just going to look at it in terms of layman terms and what I've read so far. So a spring mattress, you know how they work, right? They have coils, okay? And it's basically coils all over with different layers of foam and padding over them. Depending on the quality of the mattress and the price, you're gonna get thicker coils. Sometimes you get pocketed coils. This mattress is not pocketed coils. Sometimes you get the pillow top attached to it. Some of those mattresses can be really expensive. I've seen mattresses like Croft, for instance, where they're like $8,000, $10,000 mattress. That's a major investment on a mattress. And you go to the store, you try them out, and quite frankly, to me, they all feel the same. It makes no difference. And then you have the annoying salesperson who just keeps on telling you all of the stats and this one, oh, are you interested in this one? They just won't leave you alone. Okay, so the experience of purchasing a mattress can be very intimidating because it's big box. 2, you're really not sure whether this is the mattress you need because testing it at the store really is not going to give you anything. And 3, it's a major annoyance to go there. Okay, any of the mattress stores, whether it's a high-end Macy's, you name it. Okay, so the problem with the spring mattresses is that over time they sag, the springs lose their spring, kind of like shocks on a car that needs to be replaced, right? And then there's motion transition. Okay, so I'm a difficult sleeper. Scott will attest to that. I toss and turn pretty much all night long, and there's a lot of motion transfer as a result of being on a spring mattress. So I've noticed that if I shift, I can see Scott going up and down and shifting too, and that can't be all that comfortable for him. So they came up with memory foam mattresses, and this is what a Lull mattress is. They come in packed, and you'll see that it's basically they suck out all of the air, which allows them to roll them, and then as soon as you open the plastic, all the air goes back in and it puffs back into place. There's several layers of memory foam in there, and they are generally better for people who are back slippers and side slippers. They are firmer mattresses. They allow you to cradle your body, but they also support all of your pressure points. So if you have difficulty with back pain when you wake up, a memory foam mattress is probably better for you. But the number one thing that I've read, and that's going to help us tremendously, is that there is no motion transfer when you use a memory foam mattress. What it means is that when I'm tossing around, Scott is not bouncing up and down as a result of my not so gentle moving back and forth, trying to get comfortable. I'm super excited to getting this because I say it again, we really needed a new mattress. This seems to be the most affordable option for most people, and you cut out the whole hassle of having to go to the store and get really confused with the gazillion mattresses they have there. So let's bring it upstairs. We're going to unbox it and give you our first impression on this Lull mattress. Getting old sucks.
Telling me about it.
We got it upstairs. I don't know how much it weighs, but wow. Okay, so it's definitely a 2 to 3 person job.
I think it's the bulk.
It's bulky, but it's heavy. How heavy do you think it is?
I don't know.
80?
2?
82 pounds?
No, 2.
All right, we got it upstairs. See, that's the one thing when you get a traditional mattress, the guys will suffer the delivery, not you. But this one, you gotta hold it up. So, all right, you ready to open it? Because this thing needs 2 person, I think.
You think it does?
Yeah, I think it does. Okay, let's look at it. I'm so excited. I really am. We needed a mattress. Okay, so I just talked about the pros and cons of spring mattresses versus memory foam, and the number one pro of having a memory foam mattress versus a regular spring mattress is that there's no motion transfer. What it means is that when I toss and turn, you're not gonna feel it.
You ever put a cat inside a burlap sack?
What is that supposed to mean?
That's how you sleep.
All right. But you hog the blankets though.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
He does. Scott, stop the drama. The box is empty. Would you stop it? Look, just in case you thought we were dealing with superhuman here. Okay, the box is empty, Scott. We're not buying it. I'm looking at the website and here's the mattress. There's 3 different layers in it. The top one is 1.5 inches worth of comfort top layer. The second one is a therapeutic mid layer, and the third one is a 7-inch core support base layer. So all of those layers are fused together, and the Lull mattress will give you pressure relief, temperature control, spine alignment, and it's responsive. What it means basically is that you can really move back and forth and you're not being stuck in one position. You don't feel like you're being too cratered. Motion transfer has been eliminated, and lasting durability. There is a 10-year warranty on it. So what I've read so far is that every 3 months, in order for you to rotate it, you know how the regular traditional mattress, you not only rotate it this way, but you gotta flip it the other way. This one, you just flip it this way and that way. So you put the head at the feet and the feet at the head every 3 months. That's it. You do not flip it the other way around, because again, the 2 most important layers are on the top. So the angles here, the corners here are starting to get in shape. I have to tell you, the stitching is really, really good. I'm looking at the quality here, and there's a little bit of piping here. And then, let me see. Yeah, it's really, really well made. No complaints. Yeah, look at that. This is, the stitching is well done. It doesn't look like it's going to rip at the corners. I do think I'm gonna get a mattress cover for it. I don't know how this washes, so my regular mattress, it was kind of a little bit of water, baking soda, and a little bit of vinegar, and we were able to remove any stain. But this is a different type of fabric, so I'm definitely gonna get a mattress cover for it. And yeah, I mean, this is starting to look pretty neat. I can't wait to try it. All right, it's on, and I tell you what, it's even tighter here and on the other side than the traditional mattress that we had, and I like that. That means that the bed is not going to undo itself. Scott is going to try it out.
Oh. It's not too bad.
Yeah?
Yeah, but you know, I'm ex-military. I can sleep anywhere.
I know, but how does it feel?
No, it's soft. It's very soft.
You want your pillow? Up. Turn to the side.
You mean the side that you only let me sleep on?
Yes. How does it feel?
Yeah, it feels good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I move a lot, I'm moving a lot here. Are you feeling me move?
No.
Excellent. All right, so it's a totally different feel compared to the regular mattress. You know what? I may not even need a topper on this. Oh man. You know what it feels like? It feels like the feather bed. You know what I mean?
You think it feels like the feather bed?
Yeah. Oh, this is nice. It even makes my pillow feel better. And I have a sucky pillow. I really do. This is nice. What a different... It's a totally different experience. I don't know how to describe it, because you can feel that it's supporting you, but it's not supporting you in a hard and firm way. It's like... it's almost like you're floating. Am I making sense?
Kind of.
Yeah, it feels like, you know, when you go to the sea and you do the plank on the water, right? You know what I'm talking about? And you only get your toes coming out of the water. That's what it feels like. It feels like you're just, like, you're floating. That's the best description I can give. I like it. I really do. Can't wait to sleep on it tonight. So, so far I like it a lot. It's a totally different feel. It's, you just don't feel like you're on a traditional mattress. I mean, there obviously is a major difference in the experience. That's all I can say so far. I really like it. The experience is very positive. I will see you for an update right this second. All right, so it's been a week, right, that we've had the bed now, and we're gonna give you a full review. So Scott, you first.
Well, I've been sleeping on it pretty well, I think. You know, it's been of benefit that it's been Thanksgiving break, so, you know, we've been able to sleep without an alarm clock for the most part. So, I feel pretty good. It's a little like sleeping on a sponge. And the one thing that I do wonder, it's nice now because the weather is really cold outside. So I wonder about in the summertime if this is going to get like really hot.
Okay. Yeah, that's a concern. As for me, I have to tell you, I'm sleeping very good on it. I really like it. I think that it's not too firm, neither too soft. You do need to get used to it. The first few nights, I had a hard time with being able to shift from one side to the other because, you know, again, I move a lot. And it felt like I was pretty much like Velcro. Like, you know, like when you're on a mattress, you can just like, you know, bounce it and flip. On this, you actually got to lift yourself and move. So the first 2-3 nights was a little difficult for me, but I'm used to it now. And I have to say, I'm sleeping really well. I really am.
You know, one thing is like I can go to bed after her, and when I get in the bed, when you're on a regular mattress and you get in the bed, like I would be waking her up.
Yeah,
but
so
now I get in the bed and I don't think she even knows.
I have no idea that he's getting into bed. So there's really definitely no motion transfer. And I think that's the best thing about this mattress, this type of mattress. Like, we're really happy with it. We really are. Again, when you sit on it on the edges, it really gets squished down. But that's because all of your weight is, you know, it's not distributed, it's to one area. So, you know, that may be a problem for some of you who are, you know, have difficult knees and need a higher bed in order for you to be able to get out of the bed. But otherwise, I have nothing bad to say about it. We don't know what it's going to be like in the summertime because it gets really, really hot in here. But there supposedly is a cooling gel kind of layer in there, the middle layer, I think. And so we'll find out when we get there. But until then, I would give it a 5-star rating. We're very happy. It was way overdue for us to have a new mattress. You know, again, it's a little transition of a few days where you got to get acclimated to that particular style of mattress, but otherwise we got nothing bad to say about it. It's really nice. It really is very nice. So again, thank you, Lull, for sending me this mattress. I hope you guys are interested in purchasing one. Check down below. I think I have a $50 off coupon code attached to the link. And just to recap, it's free shipping. It's free return, it's guaranteed 10 years, and you have a 100 nights warranty on it. So if you're not happy with it after 100 nights, you can return it. And it comes directly to the mail, and we got it, I think, within 5 business days. So it's pretty fast shipping considering the size of the box. So yeah, 5-star for me, very happy. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our little review, and we'll get you on Lull mattress when it's time for you to change your mattress, and I will see you later. Thank you for watching. Bye. You don't say bye? Okay, bye.